Hey, hello, how are you? The job is done, almost done. So, let me show you. So, this is your Google Drive, you can see, and this is the folder, and this is the Excel sheet, you can see. Okay, so there is the data. Uh, I highlight those header name, first name, last name. Please don't delete anything here. I just separate them. Who is home address, which is business address, business email, business phone. You can see business address. Please don't edit anything on header because it's linked to a form. I hope you understand. So let me show you live demo here. So this is the Excel sheet. You can see there are three or four data here. So this is the link for your page. Let me open new browser and just just open it. Okay, so this is the form you can see. So I used username password. So when anybody just fill up the form, he will automatically log in, or I can delete this feature also. But the data will surely go to the form. So let me try this like Sundarban password. Okay. Is John like doing email and John at Gmail. Phone number will be 01. This is the phone number, like straight address will be like 5 your no like let me try my address like 5 Dhaka 3000 zip code and race like my country Bangladesh. Business email will be John gmail.com. Phone number like some random phone number here. And the state this will be 780 Madhapur. Well, 3000. The country will be like Bangladesh. Yeah. So when I restart, so it's submitting. So account registration successful. So let me check the Excel here. You can see this is the username, this is the first name, this is the last name, this is the uh, email, this is the phone number, and the home address. You can see all are doing good here. For business information, you can see business email is business phone number, business address. Okay, I hope you understand the process. This part is completely done. Some step left. Let me show you in next video. Thank you.